Got this Miller Syncrowave 250 here. Solid machine. Used for TIG a lot. Um, I see this a lot where people have inconsistent arcs or high freak issues. And very basic fix or check you guys can do is on this one, you remove the side panel and you look at your high freak points, which are these three little things. I don't really know how to describe the shape of them, but you can see that they're all corroded and stuff in there, and that'll give you a lot of issues arc wise, high freak wise. You can just replace those. It's very easy to do. If you want to look at the part numbers, manuals should be online, and I recommend doing this for any type of TIG welding. Sometimes the door is on the front, the side, but yeah, always check your points. And another thing is, if you are going to replace these, you want to spark gap check, because there should be a certain diameter in between each point, if that makes sense. So this one was like 0.08 meters or millimeters, and I have spark gaps that I use to check that. So make sure you get that right if you're going to replace these. All right, catch you guys later.